When you log into the course, you'll log in, you'll go to Lessons, open up Module 6 task list, left click, and copy the task list. Once you've done that, right click, hit copy, bring your window down, open up a new Microsoft Word document, right click, paste. Make sure you do that one all the way over for the keep source formatting. It may take a few seconds to load. Once it loads, it tells you all the assignments for the unit. Notice on the bottom it says these times do not include novel reading. 3 to 4 hours of additional time should be added to this module to complete the required amount of reading. So while you're working on this module, you need to make sure that you're reading your book at night at home, because in module 6, in lesson 6.08, you're going to have to complete some work that involves your novel, and in lesson 6.03. Once you've done that, in your binders, you should have your pace chart. I have it on the computer. So I look at the pace chart and I see that my first 3 lessons have to be turned in by this Friday. So I go back to my module task list and I put down, I know I have to have these 3 assignments done by Friday. So I'm going to do my task list today. So I'm going to put in today's date. I'm looking at this lesson. It says it's going to take me 45 minutes, so it might take me 2 days to get it done. So I plan on having it done on Wednesday. That's the 16th, so I put that date in. This one tells me it's going to take me 90 minutes, so I know I have to have all my work done by Friday, so I'm going to put Friday's date in. And I'll continue to do that with each one of the assignments as I look at what I have to do. So I'll click on my task list here, and I'll notice that I have to have 6.05 done by the 25th, and I start on the 22nd. So I look here, and it looks like this one's going to take me a little while, so I'm going to put that I'll have it done by the 24th. And I'll probably have this one done by the 25th. And then I'm going to go back and just double check and see if that's all the work I had to have done that week. I have to have 603, 604, and 6.5. So I'm really not sure how long this stuff is going to take me. So I'm just going to say that I'm going to have it done by Friday. And you'll go through and you'll get all these other dates as well. If you want to put a specific date, like Score with Words, I know from the first units I could really get that done in a day. So I'll look at my pace chart and I see that I have to have it done by February 1st, but I know it only takes me a day. So I'm going to put in 1/28/13. And then I'm looking at these assignments, and they normally take me a little bit longer, so I'm going to put in the 1st, because I know I have to have them done by the 1st. And I'm going to do that all the way through. Then I look at the last lesson, and I realize that it is due, 6.09 is due by the 7th of February. So I'm going to go ahead, and I'm going to put that I'll have this one done by the 7th of February, and then I'm done. Then I'll go up and I'll hit File, Save As, Module 6 Task List, and I'm going to save it as an RTF. So I'm going to go down, and it's this one right here, Rich Text Format, and I'm going to hit Save. I'm going to hit yes. I'm going to make it small. I'm going to go back into my course. I'm going to go into assessments, assignments. Your screen looks a little bit different than mine. I'm going to click on lesson 6.01. And when you open up the assignment, I'm going to go in here to, when you click on, it'll open it up. Let me see if I can switch to student view here. I'm going to switch to student view. I'm going to go into assessments. I'm going to click on this, and where it says option file upload, I'm going to hit browse. I'm going to go back into my documents. I'm going to click on module task list. I'm going to say open, and it's going to be there, and I'm just going to type, hi, Mrs. Hazer, here is my task list. Smiley face, and I'm going to put my name. And then you can hit spell check, click, submit for grading, and hit submit. Another way you can do it if you don't want to do the file is go back. Remember, we copy and pasted the task list. Well, you can just go like this, hit paste, and the task list will show up here. And then all you need to do is go back to next one, just like we did before, looking at those dates, put in dates next to each assignment. Once you've done that, hit submit, and I will get it. And that's your option to complete a module task list. I hope this helps, and I wish you luck. Have a good evening.